A majority of the community's water is used outdoors, a bulk of it on landscape irrigation. That's water that can't be recycled and returned to Lake Mead. The biggest water guzzler is grass. Reducing outdoor water use is an important conservation goal for Southern Nevada. The SNWA estimates at least 5,000 acres of useless grass still exists in the valley, much of it owned by HOAs and businesses. Grass that's only touched by a mower, bordering a street, or hard to get to is useless and a waste of water. If we converted all the grass in our community to water-smart landscaping, we could save more than 12 billion gallons of water each year. And listen to this stat. Converting grass to a water-efficient landscape can save around 55 gallons per square foot a year. So a business that's converting around 10,000 square feet of turf can save upwards of 550,000 gallons of water a year and earn up to a $30,000 cash rebate from the SNWA. Through the SNWA's Water Smart Landscapes rebate program, businesses and other commercial properties can earn up to $3 for every square foot of grass they convert to Water Smart landscaping, up to 10,000 square feet per project. The rebate pays $1.50 for every square foot over that. The maximum incentive for any property in a fiscal year is $500,000. If you're a property manager or business owner ready to convert your unused grass, here's how you can get started. First, check in with the SNWA. Apply for the rebate online or call our conservation helpline. The Water Authority will conduct a site visit to review the conversion area. Next, dig in. Once approved, the landscape conversion can begin. When completed, you can cash in. The SNWA will send a rebate check upon final inspection. It's that easy. For more information about our commercial rebate program, visit us online at snwa.com.